Hi, kids! My parents called me Tiger because I look like one, but I'm not a real tiger. I'm a Bengal cat. In fact, I have leopard ancestry, not tiger ancestry. But I'm not a wildcat. Let's look at a real tiger. First, it's way bigger than me, obviously. It can measure up to 10 feet long and weigh over 500 pounds. I'm not even 10 pounds, but I'm not fully grown yet, so I could get up to 15 pounds. And it doesn't purr. Instead, it makes a soft, low-frequency sound called a chuff. Okay, let's draw the beast. I start with the outline of the head. Top is flat. Around the mouth, there's fur, so we draw a jagged line there, and we do the same on the other side. Now this tiger has a big muzzle, so we need to draw it with a little triangle in the middle. We can include a smile with it. Then we finish the head with the chin. His ears are fairly small, at least compared to an elephant's, and pretty round, like this. I add an inside line to add depth. Same for the other ear. Then the eyes. Our usual circles, one on the right, and then the one on the left, and we add a dot right in the middle. A couple of eyebrows on top. Now, let's outline the body. We leave spaces for the legs and some fur on the chest. All we need to do now is add the legs. We'll start with the ones closest to us, where we left the spaces earlier. I make sure I add a rounded edge at the bottom to make the paws. And then the back legs. And the tail, always my favorite. To do the toes, I just add little lines on the paws, see? Now, a tiger is full of stripes. That's why we call them a tiger. We're going to outline them with our pencil. I add a few on top of the face, some on the cheeks. Yes, this makes him look so majestic. On the body, I'm making them in the shape of a very long and thin triangle. I'm going to add some to the legs, too. Like this. And on the tail, I make them a bit larger, like the reference picture. To finish the look, I'm going to add a little more detail on the face and a couple of lines on the belly to make it really pop. Time to color. Let's start with orange. I color on the face and body, but I leave out the belly and the stripes. I also leave out the bottom part of the face and ears. Then, with a cream crayon, I fill in the face and belly, but not the stripes. I'm going to do it with either dark gray or a black one. Like that. Ha! So much fun! There! Now that's a real tiger. A bit scary, really. See you next time for more drawings.